So Farah, the much awaited trailer of the much anticipated film is out.
Yes.
You received a phenomenal response for the trailer. Are you relieved because considering you were a bit nervous before presenting the trailer to the media yesterday?
Actually, we weren't really nervous. We were very excited and we were looking forward to presenting it because we've been working very hard, not only on the film but also on the trailer, and a lot of detail had been put into it. So we were very excited and we are overwhelmed with the response.
Now, as we have seen in the trailer, India Wale sentiment is an integral part of the film. How did this idea came about?
Well,
Vivan, through his technique, had thought of this. Yeah. Why would I
he's
joke?
also sleepy right now.
Now,
The whole concept of the film is based on, obviously, what India stands for. We want, there are portions in this country, people in this country who have desires, who have wishes, who want to do what they want to do and, be famous. All of us, actually, what in this country, everywhere around the world. And the coinage of this term, this film has a strange modern patriotic feel, where you feel proud of the country, which perhaps may not have excelled in many things. When it comes to individual things like say Olympics or Oscars or whatever, but we keep trying and we're very proud of it, and you have to have pride in your country. And I think Farah and Mr. Kamal and Vishal Shekhar have coined this term, keeping the essence of the film in mind. So India Wale, I think, and for all of us, and I think inshallah for the rest of the country, is going to be a new modern patriotic coinage, which makes the youngsters feel proud of the country and actually goads them on to make it a better place to be in and feel proud that they're Indians and take it forward in whichever field they are in.
now you worked with Farah and Mehuna and in OSO and now in HNY. How has she changed as a director from Mehuna to HNY?
Extremely patronizing for an actor to talk about the boss that he works or he or she works under. So I will never be able to comment on that. I just say it's always been a learning experience, a wonderful experience, and she's loving, sweet, and I'm keeping the personal aspect out of my mind. I'll say for Vivan, for me, for Abhishek, for Sonu, for Bamansa, Jagu Dada, Deepika, she's an extremely talented visionary director, and I think when actors comment on their director, she's evolved like this, even though she might have did her first film. When she did her first film with me, Mehuna, I think she did me a favor by casting me in it, and I will always remain indebted to her and all of us for having a vision of a film which makes the actors look much better than they are.
Now I know you must be tired of hearing this question, but everyone has liked the trailer including Mr. Salman Khan. What is your reaction?
Like to everyone, thank you very much. It's very gracious, it's very wonderful, and colleagues like your work. Not only Salman, I think Mr. Bachchan and Anil and Priya Mani and everybody has liked it. Unfortunately, I've been so busy, I haven't been able to read it personally. But when I did get up in the morning and saw Farah's retweet on the fact that Salman's liked it, it's really wonderful. And when we see the kind of cinema he does, and I'm just talking not only purely business, I thought the stardom that he has, he leads the path. And we try to follow it. So inshallah, we will try and follow the path of Kick and make everyone, as far as the distributors and producers are concerned, very proud. And creatively, obviously, Farah is very different from any other filmmaker. So creatively also, we'll be able to make marks. So thank you, Salman, and thank you everyone who's liked the trailer.
Now, since this friendship between you and Salman have revived, will we see the two Khans sharing screen space yet again?
Can I just tell you something? You guys don't even know the friendship that me and Salman share. So keep out of it. I say this with a lot of love and respect. Yeah, so don't try to get into a position which you don't even know. I've known him for 20 years and we share an amazing amount of love and care for each other. But unfortunately, or fortunately, you're not aware of it. So stay out of it.